Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a friend request on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable friend request receive notifications on Roblox web using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to the Roblox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open a drop-down, then select settings from the list. Inside the settings page, find and click on the notifications tab. This is where you can manage all the alerts Roblox sends you, making sure you're always up to date with what's happening in your account. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, this is where Roblox lets you control which notifications you'll get, including friend requests. Look for the option called Friend Request Received. There should be a toggle or checkbox next to it. Click to enable this setting. Once it's on, Roblox will send you a notification every time someone sends you a friend request, so you can respond quickly and never miss a new connection. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just return to the same menu and toggle the setting back off. Roblox lets you customize your notifications to fit your preferences, so you're always in control. That's it. You've now enabled friend request receive notifications on Roblox web for PC. With this feature turned on, you'll stay in the loop and can grow your friends list without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends on Roblox.